Welcome to Swap Trade Academy. In this module, I'll guide you through the process of buying your first cryptocurrency. We'll start with understanding cryptocurrency exchanges and follow step-by-step instructions to make your first purchase. Cryptocurrency exchanges are online platforms where you can buy, sell, or exchange cryptocurrencies for traditional currency like US dollars or euros. These platforms are essential for engaging with the digital currency world. When choosing a cryptocurrency exchange, consider several factors. First, security. Ensure the platform uses robust security measures such as two-factor authentication and encryption. Second, fees. Check the transaction fees and any other hidden costs. Third, user interface. A simple and intuitive interface can make your experience smoother. Fourth, reputation. Look for exchanges with good reviews and strong community support. Fifth, customer support. Make sure they offer reliable assistance. Lastly, check for any geographical restrictions that might affect your access to the exchange. Now let's make your first purchase. Start by signing up for an account on your chosen exchange with your email and password. Complete the identity verification process by providing personal information and uploading identification documents. Next, secure your account by enabling two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security, making it harder for unauthorized users to access your account. To deposit funds, use bank transfers, credit cards, or PayPal. Be aware of the fees and processing times for each method. Navigate to the market section of the exchange. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to buy and place either a market or limit order. Enter the amount you want to purchase and confirm the transaction. Once your purchase is complete, transfer your cryptocurrency from the exchange to a personal wallet. This step is crucial to protect your assets from potential hacking or other issues. Following these steps will ensure you can buy your first cryptocurrency safely and securely. Thank you for joining us at Swap Trade Academy. In the next module, we'll cover setting up a cryptocurrency wallet and the basics you need to know. Stay tuned and get ready to unlock the potential of digital currencies. Your journey to mastering cryptocurrency starts here.